Hi, it's Nina. Hello, and welcome again on our Reno channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger last seen is not working. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app and a fixed Messenger last seen is not working, the first thing we're gonna do is to make sure that your active status is on. And to do that, tap on the three dots at the top left corner. After that, tap on Settings at the top right corner. Here, a list of options will appear, so choose the second option, Active Status. And here, make sure to toggle on these options. Show when you're active. If this option is turned off, then you won't be able to see when your friends and connection are active, and others won't be able also to see when you're active. So make sure to toggle on these options. Another thing that you can do to fix that problem, go back and go to Play Store. Now type in Messenger. And here, make sure that Messenger is updated. So here, if it stays open, then your app is updated, but if it stays update, then you have to update your app. If none of these things work, then go to Settings, scroll all the way down, and look for Apps option. Here, a list of options will appear, so choose the second option, Manage Apps. And here, all the apps on your phone will appear. So scroll all the way down and look for Messenger. Then tap on Clear Data, then Clear Cache. Now go back to Messenger. And this should fix your Messenger last seen. And this is it. This is how to fix Messenger last seen is not working. Thanks for watching. See ya.